Make him over.
Okay. Our EV3.
5 times. All right.
So you did it 5 times?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, so the first obstruction, it turns around. It sees another obstruction, it turns around. Can someone put their foot out? Oh, no.
Say we have
5 times.
Move a little.
Then do the blackest.
So,
I did it.
can you explain to us what the robot is doing, ma'am?
Alright, so what the robot's doing is what these guys programmed to do is that they have it set up so that when the infrared sensor sees something within 30 centimeters, it will turn around. And so the code blocks they have are they have the motors forward, and then they have sensor sees something, motors turn around for 1 second, and then go forward again until the sensor sees something. And what they did is they put this code on machine, and so it will do this 5 times until it finally sees something and will stop when it sees something within 30 centimeters.
So did they code it to what he's doing now, or you coded it through the computer?
He coded it on the robot itself. We'll be doing computer coding later.
Why is that great for me?
Thank you, Miss Lauren.
You're still on that.
I have a new program.
Yeah?
Now what are you doing now?
I just made something.
What did you program it to be?
Like, it just spins around for 2 seconds.
2 seconds. Come on, girl, stop it.
Oh, it didn't stop? No. I thought I put on the program to stop. Oh no, 2 seconds is a long time. Oh.
Yeah, 2 seconds. Yeah.
Oh, the tire's wrong. Oh yeah. Okay.
So what do you think about our robotics so far? The program?
That's good.
He's like, no, that's good. Yosef, what do you think about the
I like it.
You like it?
Yeah.
Are you going to go for it?
Yeah.
You're going to go to college for it?
Yeah.
Are you gonna come to ASTI and come be on our team?
Yeah.
Come ASTI? You're going to be an ASTI robotics?
You apply when you're in 8th grade.
Good, because a bunch of us are going there.
Okay, she does it. What the hell?
All right, so let's take it back